Just one sentence and AI can do the work of an entire team. Can you believe this is possible? Welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. Today, we're testing LovArt, an all-in-one AI design agent. It claims to not just generate images, but also edit visuals, create videos, and even rebuild broken prompts. Let's see if it's just hype or your next secret weapon. First up, let's sign up. Head over to LovArt.com. If you're seeing an invite wall, don't worry. Smash that like button. Once we hit 500 likes, we'll drop our invite codes in the comments. Now inside the dashboard, you'll see a project zone, a showcase feed, and clean task tiles. LovArt isn't just prompting image out. It's more like a workflow assistant. Let's try a basic image generation task. Prompt: create a fantasy game poster with a cyberpunk city in the background and a main character wearing futuristic armor. We hit generate, and LovArt thinks step by step. Style, layout, lighting. It's a bit slower than Midjourney or Leonardo, but the results? Pretty consistent. The style converges after a few iterations. It's not just draw a picture. LovArt acts like an art director: first drafts, then refinement. Now, let's edit that image the AI way. We extend the cyberpunk skyline using Outpaint. Add a sci-fi weapon within Paint. And tweak edges with smudge and segment tools. Feels like Photoshop, but driven by prompt. It's surprisingly intuitive. More than just face swaps, this is precision-level image control. Here's where LovArt gets interesting. Create 10 unique tarot cards in pixel art style, inspired by Lord of the Rings characters, each with its own archetype and symbolism. LovArt breaks this into 10 mini tasks, with unique labels, designs, and meanings. And if your prompt hits a content restriction, it auto-adjusts, edits the wording, retries, moves forward. This is what we call prompt resilience. When most AI stops, LovArt rewrites and retries. Let's animate some lo-fi cover art. Prompt: generate lo-fi music cover images and animate them into short 5-second video loops. First, we get a gorgeous still. Then clean video 1.6 kicks in. Result AU, fully dynamic. Result B, mostly static with soft motion in the background. Not Pika-level cinematic, but perfect for ambient visuals or music loops. Final test, a 5-scene short story animation. A boy who dreams of flying, turn it into a 5-scene animation. LovArt builds a consistent character, scene-by-scene visuals, matching voiceover and music, and stitches it all together into a full video. It's like a storyboard turned into a short film auto-magically. Downside? Edits are basic. Transitions feel pre-built, but as a concept prototype, it works. So is LovArt worth your time? Want to try LovArt? Drop a comment with your dream AI task. We might test it in the next video. And if you want faster, harder to detect AI content, you can try Tenorshare AI Bypass. Click the link below the video for a free trial. Like plus subscribe for more real AI tool tests. No fluff, just facts.